before engine, carbon cleaning, process. Throttle body, before cleaning. Throttle body, after cleaning. Spark plugs, before cleaning. Spark plugs, after cleaning. MOF sensor, before cleaning. MOF sensor, after cleaning. MAP sensor, before cleaning. MAP sensor, after cleaning. It's machine process that clean engine combustion chamber using hydrogen and oxygen gas, and also use carbon cleaner agent in machine. For more best clean results. For more information, check video description. Everything is mentioned there. Thanks for watching.